Welcome to the Dancing Numbers video, which talks about uploading the data from Excel and CSV files to QuickBooks Pro Online. Before you try and import data, please take a back of your company files. To start the upload of the data, click on the gear icon. Click Import Data tab, then select the type of data that you want to import. Select the file, click Open. Then you will see the data getting imported or uploaded to the QuickBooks Pro Online. With the new QuickBooks Pro Advanced version, it is possible to simply upload data from Google Sheets as well. Classify the data and then click Next. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us for more on QuickBooks Online and Desktop. Dancing Numbers is a QuickBooks authorized SaaS software that helps you convert, import and export QuickBooks data easily.